And then again, the Khayshoom we talked about. This is the second approximate major articulation point. Al-Khayshoom. This is the makhraj in which the sound of gunna is emitted. And that's basically it for makharij. If you practice and really hone in on the details of every letter and the sifat, qalqala, gunna, where to place your tongue, over time you'll get better. Something to practice on is listening. Listen to a lot of Quran. I personally recommend Shaykh Al-Husari. Shaykh Al-Husari has very good tajweed, almost 100% excellent tajweed. When you hear him recite, he pronounces every letter from its exact makhraj. So when you listen to him recite, try repeating after him, record yourself, hear yourself, see if it matches up with Shaykh Al-Husari. I think those little acts of effort that you try to improve your recitation will improve your recitation, inshallah. So that's my advice, and that's it for Makharij al-Huruf. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.